How to connect PepperStone to TradingView. First, you will need to sign into your TradingView account, then hover over products and go into the supercharts section. From here, make sure you are on the trading panel and you should see the different brokers here. You will be able to find PepperStone. If you can't find it, you will click on the search bar and just search for Pepper and you will see PepperStone. Click on it and it's going to give us this prompt: connect or open an account. We are going to click on connect, which is going to take us to the PepperStone website and ask us to sign into our account. Once you have signed into your PepperStone account, then it's just going to ask for confirmation, and once you confirm, this is going to integrate or link PepperStone with TradingView, and that is how you connect the two. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.